Sanitation infrastructure is vital to good health. Septic systems like sewers and on-site wastewater disposal systems treat wastewater that flows into our groundwater, the same water we drink. Although there are policies in place to ensure the water we drink is safe, clean water advocates say if we don't act soon to control the flow of nitrogen that's leaching into our groundwater and estuaries from Title V wastewater disposal systems, our water could become undrinkable. Enter Barnstable Clean Water Coalition, a nonprofit whose mission is to restore and preserve clean water throughout Barnstable. They say the large-scale use of innovative and alternative septic systems, like the Clean 2 Nitro system, will be critical in addressing Cape Cod's water quality problems. That's why they've begun a new project to install 15 of these alternative systems in the neighborhood of Shubal Pond.
What this project is all about is taking the next step to prove that advanced alternative septic systems can replace our Title V systems and cesspools, which simply don't work.
To assist in the project's success, Barnstable Clean Water Coalition worked with the United States Environmental Protection Agency and the United States Geological Survey to locate a test site. Additional partners include the Massachusetts Alternative Septic System Test Center, the Nature Conservancy, and the town of Barnstable.
Barnstable Clean Water Coalition has been working with a number of partners, including EPA and USGS, and they did test wells in a number of neighborhoods throughout the town of Barnstable to really figure out where the hydrogeologic conditions were optimal for a test like this. Groundwater is notoriously tricky to track, and we wanted to be able to put a cluster of these systems in and see improvement in groundwater. And the Shubal Pond neighborhood turned out to be the neighborhood that had the optimal conditions to test for that. We have Shubal Pond up gradient, so upstream, so to speak, of the groundwater. And that acts as a shadow. So we know that any of the nutrients in the groundwater are coming from this corner of the neighborhood and these septic systems.
State Senator Julian Sear met with Barnstable Clean Water Coalition to learn more about the project and said he's eager to review the data.
I'm really eager to see what the data shows and really then want to work with our partners at Mass DEP, US EPA, to try to see how we can scale and maximize.
The most recent nitro system installations have proven to reduce nitrogen by 95%. But that's not the only reason Barnstable Clean Water is excited about the project. The innovative systems are simple, work with or without power, and can be retrofitted to existing Title V systems, dramatically reducing costs.
I think what's important about this system is it's modular, so it can go into an existing Title V system. It can be a whole new system, but it can also be a retrofit. And that retrofit's critical from a cost standpoint as well as performance. Every time we take a shower, every time we flush the toilet, every time we run the sink, that's all going back into the ground, back into the groundwater. And that's what we're targeting here. So this hopefully will be a generational change with new technology. It's about time, right?
To learn more about the Barnstable Clean Water Coalition's innovative alternative septic system project, visit becleanwater.org. For Cape Media News, I'm Gabrielle Rawson.